to appreciate.
No problem.
Your effort.
No problem. Thank you.
Really,
No
appreciate your
problem.
effort.
Okay, what we're doing over here was that I want to add a purchase. Okay, so where is the purchase? In account payable. Okay, common. Where is purchase orders? Yes, I want to add purchase order. I want to add this all purchase order, full control. Okay, and I added this, everything fine. Now what I will do is I will first add to my security role this thing here. This is my security role. Add purchase. Okay, I need this as well. For example, if I just press this thing or whatever it is, I just need this close. Since I already assigned the user MCLE7, so I given him full control. Okay, but what is my next level of security which I want? If you go over there, see, I can see over this is my purchase orders, and I'm seeing this thing. Sorry, because I'm in the debt company, I am not seeing any data. So I will go to this company and I see data. If I go there, this is my data available. Okay, I can see some data and everything over here. I need to give him certain aspects and security to get it. Now I want, for example, him not to see, for example, vendor account. Okay, I just don't want to see it. Okay, I want to hide it. Okay, I want to hide this vendor account. Okay, or the status, for example, status or vendor account name. This is my, for example, next level of, you can say, thinking or whatever it is I want to do. Okay, so what I will do, I will go to security privileges. Okay, sorry, I will go to security roles. This one, I am here. Okay, in the same place, but what I will say override. Okay, I'm overriding it. Okay, I'm going to override. So system will tell me what you want to override. Okay, I say I want to have him override what thing? Status and, remember, status and account, order account, invoice account, order account. Okay, so if I go over there, there is something called purchase status. Okay, I want to, for example, let's say I want to override. So I say override, I say give it all access, but do not give it access to purchase status. Okay, because I don't want to show it purchase status. Somehow this is my logic, that I don't want him to no access. Okay, and I don't want to see him order account no access. Okay, on the each field level, I am in the table. If you see, I am in the table level. Okay, don't want, yes, remember these are the tables it has access to. So I say I don't want to give him this access. Okay, then I say close. Let us see. Let us check. If you see over there, yes, you can connect to smart card as well. It's a window feature. If you see over here, see, my order account is gone, my status is gone. Okay, there was, if I go to the original one, I can see this purchase status, invoice. If I show you the original one, it's like this. This one, status is gone, and there is something called this order account. This is gone. So basically you can control the access to the field level as well. Okay, and also sometimes the control level as well. Like for example, I want to control something. Yes, exactly. I want to do this thing. So By the way, it's also good not to go to very detailed security. Don't to go and mess up.
No,
Like don't do anything. He's opening, but he cannot do anything. I'm just giving you example. Okay.
I tell you what I did in Midnight for there is have no rules. The system is open for every employee. So I create positions,
Exactly.
HR typist, HR accountant, HR auditing. Every one of them, I added some rules. Some of them is administrator, some of them is work as a user. It is simple. It is
Yes.
more simple
Than this. Okay.
than my job. So I assign this position. If a new HR reporting guy come, I give him this position. ده عامل نظام مثلا موظف تقريبا موظف مشرف تكنيكال مشرف كذا 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 مختص وسط كذا الحاجات دي كلها لما بيجي موظف مرحله مجرد لما بيجي موظف بروح مكتوب ايه الوظيفه المسؤول عنها بتاعته هي الفكره في اول مره ان انت تحط الايه النقطه بقى اللي احنا ممكن نوصل لها الكلام ده ان انت عملت واجب يعني عملت واجب خارجي وعايز تبتدي تخصص على ايه الوظائف لان الوظائف مش متخصصه.
Okay, it's clear. I'm just showing you some example, but you can control the field level as well. Why it is important? Sometimes people say, I'm not sure in your case not happened, but sometimes company says these guys cannot see price.
Yes.
You got moment, and it's in some companies happen. In any case, you can enter the data.
Yes.
This guy cannot see price. So in this case as well. By the way, there's another thing. If you see, I expand the form itself. Okay. So you can go to, these are basically buttons. If you see this thing, these are basically buttons on the form. So you can come to the button level to give access or not.
Yes.
You got to mind?
Yes. You cancel.
Exactly. If you see over here, you will see a lot of buttons over here. Confirm this button. So I ask it just open the form and put all the access to even children level as well. Okay. So you can go like this. See, I put access and it becomes good color. So if I go and open this form, remember right now if I open this, sorry, where it is, I think both is exempt or which one? Okay, if I go over there, this is my user, the same user. If I go over there, see, they're a bit limited. Okay, now let me just open it again and see if we can see a lot of things or not. See, kullu shay available with lot of things, and now from this you can make it small. If you see right now, I have lot of features, lot of things. Now I want to, for example, don't want to give him this button. Okay, so what I have to go, I will go over there. I have two options. Either I can go to the security role itself, to this role, this permission, and I say modify access. See, it put lot of things in it. Okay, everything.
Now we have to option to modify the main rule and modify on the employee.
Yes.
يعني نقدر نعدل في الموظف نفسه نشيل منه صلاحيات او نديله صلاحيات.
Okay, see over here, I can say override permissions, for example, and I can go over here and I say from this control where it is purchase table, just don't give him this thing, for example, or not, don't give him this thing. So everything you have a detailed record, or even in the, if I want to do like this, where I was creating my own definition. If you remember, I was here, I was over here. If you remember, we have in accounts payables, in the, we were here, remember here, with all the details. Okay, now from child I want to take something out, so it's my choice, so I can take out. So you can go to control levels, very detailed, like menu, this menu, and also the feeds level like data. Okay, so it depends. So I say I will go over here, I'll say if there's something on new purchase order, I will take it out. For example, see new, I can take it out, no access. or for example purchase order, something like this, whatever it is, take it out, take it out, and within it, and it becomes very, if you open it, goes very details, but it's very comprehensive, very detailed. Where you want, yeah, you want it simple level, you need it multiple levels like this.
هو ممكن يتحرك بس يعني.
See, it says exactly.
نادرا جدا يعني.
Okay, so this is out. If you take it out, it will do not have a create or update option over there. That's it, like this. If you take it out, and halas, close it, close it. Okay, now we'll discuss something else. So you can see some buttons can come and go. It depends on scenarios, these things. But you can play on it different security option to get the actual. And by the way, if you open it in the security, see over here, Mr. Ahmed. In the security, there is something called roles. Remember, we created from Exapta, so you have the same thing over here. See, the same role, it has same duties, same privilege. Remember, and if you want to take it to other environment, just export and then import over there.
So what is the security role? So is
Here, you're gonna just put everything, security, privilege, whatever you set in one project, export, import. You got my point?
yes.
Same thing.
خلاص قول لحد نيجي نضرب التكنيكال بوينت
مش دعوة بالدين مفيش مشكلة. شوف أنا قلت له أنا هروح حتى قال إن هم مش فاضيين. فقلت له يا إما خلاص يا إما خليهم يديني الدنيا مفيش مشكلة.